Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Kim and Cam. I am Kim and this is Kamryn, and tonight we're making tacos. Simple, easy recipe, and we'll show you a couple of healthier twists on it. But for now, we're just going to make our fun and delicious tacos. So Kamryn's going to get us started with our crumbles, our meat replacement.
Yeah, so over here. So this meat is called Light Life, and it's basically almost like a real meat, but it's plant-based and it tastes good. Here's what it looks like. It's a block, and by my dad's rules, he said that we're gonna put it on there and we're gonna crumble it down with this, and we're gonna add water to it. So yeah. Okay. Ooh. All right, let's add some water. Ooh. Oh my, that's hard. Right. Some more water. Oh. Mix it around until there's the water. Just to help. So basically, just keep on adding water if it gets dry, or to crumble it up, and just keep on doing that. So I'm going to finish this. Ooh. It takes a while too.
So while Kamryn is working on the crumbles, I am going to tell you about a few of the healthier alternatives if you're interested in making this a little bit healthier than what we're doing tonight. We are just using a traditional taco kit with our hard shells and soft shells. But if you want to make it healthier, so a meat replacement, other than using the Light Life crumbles, which is processed, it does have oil in it, so it's going to be a little bit higher in fat. If you wanted to make it a little healthier, tempeh is my #1 recommendation. Tempeh is a fermented soybean, very healthy for you. Doesn't have much flavor to it, so if you're wanting to use it in something like this, it's great. Just add the taco seasoning packet to it, and it actually looks something like ground turkey once it's done. It kind of has that grayish texture to it. So if you don't want to use tempeh, never tried tempeh, a little scared of what tempeh is, just beans, basically just using like a black bean or something like that would work as well, just to make it a little bit healthier. I have used tofu before too, so that works too. It kind of makes it more of like a fish taco if you use a tofu, if you kind of do it in slices. As far as the wraps go, you can actually get corn tortillas that are just corn. You know, something as simple as that, or what I've discovered recently is our jicama wraps. And jicama is basically a turnip, it's a tuber, and these are fantastic. They are crunchy, kind of has like a somewhat of a radishy texture to it, but it makes a really nice taco because it has that crunch to it, so that would be an alternative as well. Ezekiel also makes a whole wheat tortilla. Those are in the freezer section in most grocery stores. So those are the healthier alternatives in making tacos. We're also serving up our tacos tonight with our traditional iceberg lettuce. And I'm making a salsa, so it's basically just tomatoes, onion, and pepper from the garden, of course, and just a little bit of salt. Sometimes I will add in some lime juice, but I don't have any limes today, so we're not doing lime juice. And then we're going to add some avocado, and I'll have Kamryn show you how to cut an avocado in a fun way when she's done with the crumbles.
Okay, so I added the seasoning and it broke down a little bit, so I finished all the water. So I'm just mixing it around now to make it softer and let it finish cooking. So. Oh. Here.
Alright.
Oh. Okay, so I've never cut an avocado before.
So what we're doing with the avocado, I never knew that you could actually peel an avocado instead of having to scoop out the avocado meat and you lose a lot of it. So we're going to show you how to peel it. So you're going to cut it. You have to be very careful with avocados because they are slippery suckers.
For me, I'm just waiting until I feel the seed, and then I'm gonna.
Yeah. You basically are cutting it in half, right around that pit.
It's not perfect, but
You kind of twist it to break it open.
Okay, I'm gonna need some help with this. There we go.
It's a nice little twisting action. So then what you can do is cut this guy in half. Do it. You can leave him on, it doesn't matter. And then you can peel it. Gets a little messy. But see, you get the entire avocado, whereas scooping it out with a spoon, you'd lose a lot of the avocado flesh. So this way you actually get all of it. And it's fun. Because if you're not getting messy, it's not fun. Cooking is messy.
Okay, now I'm gonna cut it up a little bit more. Here. Should I cut it up more?
No, that's perfect.
I'm gonna do this one real quick. Alright.
So we hope that you enjoyed our tacos and you give it a try and let us know what you think. We'll see you soon.
Bye. Alright. So I just put the stuff in, and reminded this is the part 2. So I'm just flattening it in there. Then over here we have all the stuff. Just gonna move this to the side. I don't usually put much on my taco, so all I do is I put this Wegman cheese. It's plant-based in here. Nice. And it's cheddar. And just eat that. And then that's my taco. And then we'll show you guys.
I am going to be using the Jicama wrap. See, these guys are just kind of pliable like a normal tortilla wrap. They are wet though, but they're very good. They're crunchy, like I said. So I'm going to be making a couple tacos with those. So I'll get my taco crumbles. like all the veggies, so I'm gonna load mine up with the lettuce and some salsa, some avocado, I'll do a little bit of cheese just to top it off. And those are our tacos.